Hi Leo, it's Monica. As promised, I wanted to show you a website format that I think could really be of great benefit to you in the long term and the short term. And it's a company that is called Jimdo, and they do what's called WYSIWYG, which means what you see is what you get, and that's truly what this is. So, for example, if I want to change this heading, if I wanted to say Leo needs ideas instead of just need ideas, it's as simple as that. And then it's just as simple to change it back to what I wanted it to say. Delete, and I save it, and it's done. If I want to add another video, I just hover over whatever element I want, and then under that element I hit, if I want the element to be under it, I hit the plus. And let's say I want to add another video. So I have this opening here. I go up to my YouTube. I say, oh, I want to add this video. So then I go to share, embed, and then it gives me the code. So I just simply copy that code, and I go back over to my site and I paste it, and then I hit save, and I'm done. That's simple. And if I don't want this, I just
Hi, Amy Porterfield.
Excuse me. I just click on that again. You just come delete this code, say save, and then you say I don't want that new HTML in there, and you just hit the delete, say yes, delete, and it's gone. It's that easy. These forms are also free, easy to add. This is just an image that I've put up. So let me show you the options that it allows you to add. You have headings, that's what you see here. Text, that's what you see down here. Tables, I don't have any of those in my site. File download, that's where I upload a PDF and people can download it. I do that for my freebie. Your guest book is allowing people to make comments on what you've written, like I had on your site where I showed you can comment below this video. YouTube, I use the widget HTML for the embed because this feature was only allowing me, well, it would play it just fine, but then it had the replay other videos from YouTube pulling in, and I didn't want them to be taken away from my site to other videos. So I use the widget HTML that avoids that problem. Google Maps, if you're going to Paris, you can put a map of the very location where your meeting is going to be held. Simple. Store item, this has a store, this is the product itself, and this is the upper level e-commerce catalog that they can go down deeper into. And it's fully functional, no extra cost. It's amazing. RSS feeds, that's something you use for a blog. I don't recommend them because it keeps people from signing up on your list, so I avoid those. Facebook, I'll show you that later. You can add a photo, you can add text with a photo like I did in this area. You can have photo gallery if you want to show a bunch of different pictures from an event where you were. You're going to add forms. This is something that I pulled in from somewhere else, but you can create forms right in here. You can have horizontal lines, that's what you see here, that kind of separates sections of your website. Blogs. Flickr is a photo option. Widgets in HTML, that's if you find code and you want to add it in, that's how you do it. Twitter feeds, you can pull in, and share buttons. So I'll show you that and the Facebook option at the end here. Down here, so you see I have a second opt-in box. Testimonials is just an image and text. I added that. So here you can see I have my Facebook fan page and I have my share buttons. I'll show you how I did that. I simply click on it, and I might say, I don't want all these faces. I can add a stream from Facebook from my fan page, or I can just say, I just want the like button. It's as simple as saying save, and there it is, it's a button. And these share buttons, all I did, I can make them smaller, I can make them bigger, I can choose from all these options, and honestly, Facebook and Twitter and the mail, maybe stumble upon Dig and Reddit. These are the only ones people are, this is the Google buzz. the only ones people are going to really worry about are all represented here. So I tend to like them a little smaller, so I say save. You can also make them black and white if you don't like the color. Say save, and there they are, and now people can share your stuff. So I want to show you what I did with my opt-in in short order. I created this image of what I'm giving away, and then I give them the opportunity, and in my video I'm telling them to sign up here, and I give them the opportunity to sign up. When they hit the submit button right here in this spot, it says go to this free map link, and the password is, and it gives them a password, and they go right here, and this is already logged in because it's my account as an admin, but this is what they'd get. So all of these crossed out areas are invisible, but these are my follow-up videos that I'm planning to send to them day by day after they sign up. This will show up in their email, and then they have a link over to the video that I'm not done creating yet. But basically, here's what they'd see. They'd see, here's your online math to profit. Complete your registration by liking my fan page. So they click that. Number 2, download the PDF file. They just download it and print it out. And then I'm walking them in video, step by step, through my online path to profit. And then I ask them to share this with their friends, which gets their friends to sign up. And then I tell them, watch your email inbox. You're going to be getting 23-minute videos that come over the next 20 days where I walk you through each of the sections on my map. And I'm sure the value of that content will make them want to buy something from me in the end. So and then of course I have my testimonials going down the side. And I will say one thing that I'm not able to change is this sidebar. Whatever I set it at, it stays the same on every page. So, but that's actually a good thing for your opt-in, because then your opt-in is always available no matter where people land on your site. And then I just filled it with testimonials, which are always good no matter where people land. Here's a store option that people have, and I've only got one item in here, but there would be more if I added more. And then I've crossed out my services because I am moving away from service-based, implementation-based model of my business to a more product-based, where I sell information products and consulting rather than making websites. So you are actually, if you had me do this, you're probably my last client that I would actually implement for, as far as setting up the setup. After this, I'm going to be more on a consulting basis. But this is just, honestly, it's the easiest thing I have ever experienced. To tell you the truth, my first website took me months in the design and the development with a programmer, and it cost me, in my time and their time, about $10,000. And this site took me a couple days, 2 or 3 days to set it up. So I can't say enough about this. And if you want to go this route, I do believe that it would serve you well, that it would be what you would need, and it would be something we could set up as quickly as we could have you create your videos. That would be the part that would take the length of the time. We could be ready for your holiday sales. We could set up your newsletter and get that going and ready to push people toward your store or toward whatever for the holiday sales. You know, and again, we'd set up these series where people would go through videos to drink your Kool-Aid over time. Anyway, the other things, this whole panel opens up and it allows you to do all sorts of different things. This is how you change the layout, such as these fonts, the color, the size of them, the blog, friends. I haven't used that feature, but I could look into it for you. Your settings are important. That's where you set up your email accounts, your email forwarding, your domains. It allows you to have, I think, 2 domains that forward to the same place for free. It's fantastic. Your personal profile you can set up, and then down here, I love this feature. You can password protect any page that you create. So like the one I created for you, for my clients, I'll just show you again. For each of my different clients, I can give them each a different password and store their documents and their materials behind these. You can also have affiliates. Oh, excuse me. No. You cannot have affiliates. You can be their affiliate and get kickbacks. Statistics, this is where you would find out where people come into your site, what they come in under, how many people have visited your page in the last month and over time, where they go and where they leave, that kind of thing. It helps you. If you see that they're always leaving at a certain place, you'll know that you want to do something on that page to make it more interesting to them. And then the text support on this business support is just phenomenal. There's two guys, I've met them in person, that handle my support, and they are phenomenal. Brent and William are their names, and they get back to me immediately within a very short amount of time, and their answers are all very detailed and exactly what I need to solve my problem. So this is the best thing I've ever seen, and if you'd like me to set it up for you, I could have it done in a week. So that's my best option for you, and also I believe that the least expensive option that you could ever find. So we'll talk about pricing when we talk next, but I thought you would like to see this in action so you could see how truly easy it is to manipulate. All right, we'll talk soon.